To get Webull API. Start by creating a Webull account if you do not already have one. Webull is a financial services company that offers a trading platform and API access for developers. Once you have an account, navigate to the Webull website and log into your account. Next, go to the Webull developer portal, where you can find information on the Webull API, including documentation, code examples, and terms of use. Read through the documentation to understand the different endpoints, parameters, and response formats available in the API. To obtain an API key, you will need to create a new application in the Webull developer portal. Fill out the required information, including the name of your application and a description of how you plan to use the API. Once your application is approved, you will receive an API key and secret key. The API key is used to authenticate your requests to the Webull API, while the secret key is used to sign your requests. You will need to use both keys in your API requests to ensure that they are properly authenticated. Webull offers different types of API keys, including a paper trading key and a live trading key. The paper trading key is used for testing and simulation purposes, while the live trading key is used for actual trading. When using the Webull API, make sure to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly, and using secure protocols for data transmission. You should also be aware of the rate limits and usage guidelines for the API to avoid having your access revoked. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Webull API to retrieve stock quotes, place trades, and manage your account. For example, you can use the API to retrieve the current price of a stock, or to place a buy or sell order. Overall, getting the Webull API is a straightforward process that requires creating a Webull account, obtaining an API key, and using the API to access Webull's trading platform and services. By following the steps outlined above and using the API responsibly, you can unlock the full potential of the Webull platform and build powerful trading applications.